In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change the "Just Another WordPress Website" tag very easily. You see right here this tagline, "Just Another WordPress Website"? So this comes automatically if you've just installed WordPress or just created a new blog, but you can change this really easily. Back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and click on General. And then right here is the tagline setting. You can just highlight the text like this and type whatever you want to display instead. Usually, you'd want to write a short tag explaining what the site is. Then scroll down and click on Save Changes. So now when I go to the website and reload the page, you can see that the tag is changed. Some themes allow you to edit the tagline when you customize it. So back in your dashboard, go to Appearance and click on Customize. This setting is usually under the Site Identity option, but some themes might have this under the Header settings. So when I go to Site Identity, you can see that I have this option here to edit the tagline. And then when I write something here, the tagline changes in the preview. This is how you can change the "Just Another WordPress Website" tag easily. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.